All right, so today we're gonna cover tips for adding a large shed to your backyard. As you can see here, we got a big ass shed in our backyard. If your shed is going to be over 200 square feet, you will need to get a permit if you're putting that shed here in Florida. Ours was 12 by 32, so that's 384 square feet. Obviously, we needed to get a permit, and we decided to get this from a shed company up in DeFuniak Springs. They delivered the shed already pre-built on a flatbed truck, and the shed here, as you can see, is anchored to the ground, and that was part of the prep work we had to do. Is we had to lay some base rock here. We went ahead and treated it for termites, and also had our sprinkler system reconfigured to kind of accommodate for the shed to where the sprinklers weren't just spraying directly on the shed. And in our scenario, we hadn't decided 100% what we were gonna do on the inside as far as finishing it out, but we ended up getting a mini split air conditioning unit for this side because this is our workout side. And then ultimately we ended up getting another mini split for the other side, which is actually my shop side. So let's go inside, take a look. All right, here is the inside of our workout side. Peloton. Life Fitness treadmill. And we got the Tonal over there. Bench and some free weights. And then see up there, there's our mini split unit. Right now, 70 degrees in here, nice and cool. We got our TV, Wi-Fi out here. Went ahead and ran fiber optic out here and have a splitter out here so we can actually get Wi-Fi coverage to run all of the electronics in here. We drywalled, we put insulation up, painted, finished, even have recessed lighting. We wanted this to be nice and we did it right. Little painting and maintenance, shout out to Tom and Billy. They did all the drywall and insulation work for us here. And now we're gonna take a look at the shop side. What I also like about over here is we got a little bit of storage for some junk and stuff. And on the shop side, we did the same thing. We ran air conditioning over there, and we also put insulation here, but I ran pegboard instead of drywall everywhere, so that way we could hang stuff. I'm still building out the shed. Shop, there's one wheel and all the rest of the tools and everything. Got big fan of Milwaukee and their tools, but I like to come out here and piddle, but I wanted to have air conditioner and heat so I could be out here year round. So kind of shout out to Derek Galante with Galante Electrical. He did our electrical work. You have to put up with him, but besides that, he does unbelievable work. So we also added security cameras to the front. I got one over there on the other side, right above the workout side. And then I've got one over here on the side of the house too. So we can see if anybody is coming after our stuff. Hopefully this was helpful, but you will definitely need to get a permit if you're going to put a shed in your backyard in Okaloosa County that is bigger than 200 square feet. So here's the details on permitting, shed, and everything. We got this from Graceland Sheds up in DeFuniak, and by the time we ordered it, they didn't have it on the lot, so we had to order ours. By the time we ordered it and got delivered, this was, gosh, it was a little bit towards the end of COVID, so obviously the delivery time took a little bit longer than expected, but I think you could probably get one in like 4 to 6 weeks, something like that now. But they delivered it, they installed it, but we did the prep work. I had Helms Hauling come in and put some base rock down here, so we had a nice even place to mount the shed. And then again, Galante Electric did the electrical work, the permit. So I went to see Kristen Moore at the at the county, and Krista is the one who actually got me the permit. I just had to do a little drawing, copy of my survey, kind of showed where the drawing and where the shed was gonna lay, and she went ahead and issued the permit. I had to go get a notice of commencement, get that all taken care of in order to have the shed delivered and put into place. So you can look up on the growth management website for Okaloosa County and see some of the criteria and stuff that you may need if you're gonna get a permit for your shed. Hope this was helpful.